In this video, I am going to show you whether YouTube TV has a schedule and how you can use it to plan your viewing. Yes, YouTube TV provides a live TV schedule that lets you see what's currently airing and what's coming up on each channel. To access the schedule, open the YouTube TV app or website and navigate to the Guide section. Here you'll find a list of channels along with their programming timelines for the day. You can scroll through the schedule to see shows, sports events, or news programs, and click on any title to get more details. If something catches your eye, you can start watching live or set a reminder for later. For shows you don't want to miss, use the Cloud DVR feature to record them automatically. The schedule is especially helpful for planning around live events like sports games or award shows. Keep in mind that the schedule reflects your home area, so local broadcast times may vary based on your location, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV's schedule works, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.